I'm going to make a very quick and easy smoked salmon and caper pate. In a bowl I have some cream cheese, and to that I'm going to add a little bit of smoked salmon, finely chopped, and some dill. Just gently combine. I'm also going to add some safcoal salmon, and I'll roughly flake this with a fork. So 2 tins. As well as capers, fresh lemon zest, cayenne pepper. The cayenne won't add any heat, will actually bring out all those wonderful flavours. Freshly cracked black pepper and sea salt. Really important to bring all these flavours together. And combine this well. Sometimes you need to press down a little to make sure you can really get all the ingredients blended well, and it will soften as you go. I've got these 2 little cute containers today, but you can make a larger serving obviously with the mixture that's in the bowl, but I thought these would be great to be able to take portable for a picnic, to the races, wherever you like. Line your bowl of choice or dish of choice with cling wrap, and I have got a fresh dill frond lined through the centre, fresh smoked salmon. So the recipe is 200 grams. Whatever you have left from lining a dish of your choice is what is roughly chopped through the dish. The pate is nicely combined, and our dish is lined with the smoked salmon slices. You almost want to overfill so we can press it down. Just very carefully fold the smoked salmon slices over the top and fold the glad wrap, pressing it down quite firmly so it sets in the fridge, and it will present a lot better when we unwrap it. This will take 1 to 2 hours in the fridge, but you can certainly leave a lot longer. The pate's set. Very carefully unwrap it. How beautiful is that? Looks very festive and will taste delicious. Perfect for any entertaining. Christmas, New Year, friends dropping in, absolutely wonderful.